I am Scott. I'm the owner of Black Mountain Plumbing in San Diego. We're licensed and bonded and insured C36 plumbing contractor in San Diego. Black Mountain Plumbing is on call for our customers 24 hours a day. We're just here in the trade school right now, which is the Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling Contractors Association's Academy, where we send our plumbers to get their training and their journeyman certification. It's a 4-year program, federally accredited, so we have some really good qualified plumbers that work for us at Black Mountain Plumbing. We like our plumbers to know what they're doing, discern what's going on and diagnose problems, know how to lay out isometric drawings, size gas, water, waste and vents, know other codes. At Black Mountain Plumbing, we're pretty diverse in what we can do. Light commercial and residential plumbing, service and repair, remodeling, repiping. We can repipe in copper, PEX, CPVC. We can do houses from the ground up, whether it's just a home, multifamily, skyscrapers. If we do it well. We just try to do a super good job paying attention to the needs of our customers and exceeding their expectations.